Hey guys, so I'm currently in my closet trying to pack up the rest of my toiletries. I am going to put my toiletries in here, like my body wash, body spray, lotion, deodorant, and because I'm leaving from a port that I'm driving to, I don't have to worry about travel size items, which is good. I'm thankful for that. So I am go that way. Yep. So Mama Nisa was about to show y'all all her glory. Well, actually, she had nice pajamas on. But anyway, so I'm just using some of these little bags that I have. These are disposable toothbrushes if you're interested in those. This is my favorite mouthwash that I use. So I'm actually going to take 2 of these because I bought travel size, but this is not enough for me. I like to have, I need to have a little extra. So this is another one I'm going to put in here. I'm also, where's my toothpaste? I wonder if I have I do have travel size. Oh, this is a bigger bag. I do have travel size toothpaste, but I think I am going to take, a whole brand new tube. Hold on one second. I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's see here. Oh, and I need some hand wash. Hand soap. Hand soap. Hand soap. All right, guys. So I got this Max Fresh on sale at ShopRite. I think I got these for $1 or 99 cents. I did show that in one of my other videos because you know me, I'm going to find a deal. That's why I'm budgetista. So I'm going to take this whole tube and put it in my, you know, I'm going to have to switch this stuff over to here. I had like these little Shein bags and I threw them away. I should have kept them, but I got rid of them. So I'm going to put my stuff for my dental hygiene. I'm going to put that in this bag. And these disposable toothbrushes are good because I use these after I eat. They are excellent. Now, one thing I'm looking for that I can't find is my Platypus floss. I got floss called Platypus. I don't know where it is. I got to find it because that's the floss that I like because it's made for braces. All right, so we got that. We got our mouthwash. We got disposable toothbrushes. And we also have our regular toothbrush that I'll use every morning. And the disposable ones I put in the bag to have as backup for when I eat and when I, you know, I'm at a port and I'm eating my lunch and different things. Also, this is a receipt. This is the Bath & Body Works receipt. I'm going to make a video about that as well, so stay tuned. This is for my face. This is my face care items. I've always used Dr. Pimple Popper. I've been watching her for over 5 years, and this is the only system that keeps my face clear. I may get a breakout once in a blue moon, like I had this little bump here, but that's because I forgot 2 days, I didn't have my benzoyl peroxide acne lotion. So I got a little breakout right here. But I also have sunscreen that I use. And this is the one, 30 SPF. So I'm going to put that in here as well. So this is my skincare stuff for the trip. So let's put this all in here. Let's close this up. All right. Also, I always take me some laundry detergent. Now, I had these little free packs when Bath & Body Works first came out with their laundry detergent line. So I opened this one up and used some of it. And I had another pack, but I didn't use all of it. So I'm going to keep this. It smells really good. This one is called Mahogany Teak Wood. So we're going to put this in here as well, because this is for emergencies. sometimes you need emergency stuff. You really do. You got to be prepared, okay? You got to be prepared. All right. Last but not least, I always bring my own hand soap. Hand soap is important to me. So this is something else that will go in here. I'm hoping that I can zip this bag up. Let's see. I should be able to. Oh, let me stand this up in the corner. There we go. All right. Let's pull this back. Let's zip this up like this. Oops. Let's see. This zipper sometimes gives out. I don't know what it's about. Even when there's nothing in it, it gives out. I think it's starting to lose its oomph. No, zipper, don't go. Don't leave me, zipper. Please stay with me. Okay, I had to pull it back a little further. That's what the problem was. All right, y'all. So we got this bag zipped up and ready to rock and roll. Bam. Juicy Couture bag. All right, so we got that set. We're going to put that here. This is our travel bag to go with our suitcase. I already got my tags on my luggage already. So we're going to put this bag in here. Sit it right in the top. And I like this travel bag because it has so much room in it. Like tons of room. All right, so now I got to figure out for my hair products. This is the gel that I like to use to slick my hair back, especially when I'm wearing my half wig, and I sweat. So I will be wearing a half wig. Yes, I will. I don't want to get any braids because I don't want to put that kind of tension on my hair, and I can't get a silk press because I will come back looking pressed, okay? I won't look like silk. I'll look pressed, like somebody pressed me between two bad situations. All right, so I just transferred some into this little jar here. Also, I like to carry little travel size spray and lotion. I put this beside the bed on a cruise. I don't know why, but I do. And I also always bring me an antibacterial spray. These are all the little free gifts and different things I collect from Bath & Body Works, and I store them up. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I store these up to use them. So, and I know this video is up, right? So my son is like, Mom, why do you keep doing that? Listen, I don't know. I'm doing the best I can. Also, let's see here. This contains alcohol swabs. I have antibacterial ointment. I have Band-Aids in here. And I also have panty liners in here as well. And I had more somewhere else. Okay, here they go. I have some more that I'm going to stick in here as well because I need these. I do not play at my age. I like to stay dry and fresh, okay? If you know, you know. If you don't, that's, you know, that's your business. But if you know and you know, then you know that you know that you know. Also, I always take my travel size perfumes. So in here, I got an Yves Saint Laurent. I got a Fenty. I got a Gucci one. So anytime I get these, like when I go to Macy's and I buy perfume, they always give me a bunch of like little testers. That's what it is, not travel size. They give me testers. So these testers and like the travel size stuff from... Mommy just turned up this TV loud. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I always take these with me on a trip so I can use them because I already had the large bottles at home. So I take these and they serve the purpose. And when they're all going, they're all going. And I get more when I go to buy perfume at Macy's when they have a big sale. That's when I go. So I'm going to put this in here as well. Now, usually I would pack some makeup. I'm not packing makeup this time because I got my liquid lipo and I also got my eyebrows micro shade, as everybody saw. And I do not want to cause any bad reaction. Also, Flushable wipes. These are important. You guys are walking around here talking all this trash about people, but your butts is dirty. You need to get you some flushable wipes. They're at the Dollar Tree. There's no reason to walk around with a potty mouth and a potty butt. Here goes some more. Yeah, it's no reason. You have one or the other, but don't have both. Don't have a potty mouth and a potty butt. That's, you know, that's diabolical. All right. So we're going to put this in here too, so we can have some of these. All right. I'll be right back, y'all. I'll be right back. Also, I also take masks. I'm going to tell you why I take masks. Because sometimes in the heavily, in the common areas that are heavily populated, people are in there coughing right out in the air. It's just all kinds of stuff. Like, some people, they do some nasty stuff. They'll be like, and it's just bad. So what I do, you know, just to see if I can catch a few germs, I take masks too. Also, guys, Dollar Tree, get you some of these, okay? Yardley London disposable washcloths. Listen, I know people are like, what you need them for? What you think? You never know. Get you some, okay? Get you some. You never know what situation you're going to be in. You might even need to go to the bathroom and wipe the toilet seat off or something. You don't know. Situations happen, okay? So just make sure you got what you need. That's all I'm saying. All right, now for the cords. Listen. This is too many cords. First of all, I upgraded my phone. So half of these cords I can't even use. Now, do I need the cord for my Apple Watch? Yes, I do need the cord for my Apple Watch. So that's one cord we do need. This cord, oh, this will fit a phone. This will go quick. I mean, not go quick, but this will fit the new phone. Okay. This is another Apple Watch charger. I do not need two with me. And this is, oh, this is another one of these kind of chargers. Okay. And, oh, this is another one too. And it has the old school port on it. Okay. So, we're going to put them away because we're not taking all this stuff. Which, I usually end up taking that whole cord bag. I'm not doing it. Okay, but I am going to go find me another brick for this. Why when you looking for stuff that you need, you can't find it? Tell me why. And I got the biggest junk drawer in the history of man. Yes, I do. I mean, this junk drawer is vicious. Vicious. You understand me? Yeah. So basically, what we're going to do, we're going to work with these cords right here that we have so far. And we're not going to worry ourselves about anymore. We're going to just take these, okay? We're going to take these. Wait, what's this? Oh, we're going to take this. Because on the cruise ship, they do have, on this ship, it's an older ship. So they still have these ports. USB-C, I think it is. Yep, they still have that. So, we're going to take this one, too, to be on the safe side. And I want to find me one of the old school, you know, the bricks. But I haven't found it yet. This thing doesn't work, but sometimes my guy uses it. I don't know. But we're going to put this in the bag as well. We're going to stick it down on this side. And I like this bag also because there's a lot of room in the sides as well that you can put stuff in. All right, so now we got this gel. We're going to put this one up. So what we're going to do. Now, I had this around because I was going to put it. This is not the actual Airwick one that you put inside the, what is it? The little Airwick sprayer thing, you know, majiggy. But I'm going to take this. It doesn't fit in there, the one that I have. So I'm just going to take it because I can still use it. And it's good. And this is good for when somebody goes to the bathroom, you know. Yeah, so I'm going to take this. And last but not least, my Jergens. Jergens is important to me. Even though I may put on those other smell goods, I have to put this on as the base. And then I put the other ones on top. It's going to be kind of hot where I'm going. So I'll probably just use this lightly. But we'll see. Because when we have the days at sea, It's cold on the ship. People that travel a lot know it's very cold. It is. So we'll use it as needed. Okay, this is the last thing. This is my favorite body wash. It is very, very reasonable. The Dollar Tree used to carry it a lot, but they carried a smaller one. This is the 22.5 ounce. The reason I like this is because it has no dyes, no parabens, and it's vegan formula. It doesn't have all those additives in it, and it works well on my cat. Yes, my cat doesn't itch. It doesn't go through any type of metamorphosis. When I try anything else, Dove, all the other, I go through so much trauma. This right here, the Cat Saver. Everything else I can use on other parts of my body. But this is the Cat Saver, okay? So, let's get all this stuff together and put it on the porch. All right, guys, we are locked, stocked, and ready to rock. I got my suitcase, like carry-on situation to match the actual suitcase. I got my tags on both of them, and I got my bags and snacks. Okay, I'm ready to attack.